Ever find yourself staring blankly at the wall, daydreaming, only to realize that hours have passed by? You're not alone. This is what we call wasted time. It's those moments when you look back and find no productive outcome. It's that new Netflix series you binge-watched or the endless scroll of cat videos on YouTube. Time, my friends, is the one asset we can never replenish. Once it's gone, never to return. So why do we waste it as if it's limitless? The key is to live life with purpose and intention, to make every moment count. Planning ahead is one of the most effective ways to prevent wasting time. And no, this doesn't involve mundane to-do lists that are more often than not ignored. Instead, it's about crafting a daily roadmap, outlining goals, priorities, and even carving out space for a bit of spontaneity. Remember, you are the protagonist of your own life story, and every protagonist requires a solid game plan to triumph. So gear up and let's conquer those time thieves. Another notorious time bandit is procrastination. We've all been guilty of postponing tasks until the 11th hour, only to scramble to complete them. Here's a secret. Procrastination is merely fear wearing a mask. Fear of failure, fear of success, fear of the unknown. But the truth is, you are more potent than you believe. The next time you find yourself procrastinating, pose this question. What's the worst that could happen? The answer you'll find is not as terrifying as you've imagined. And even if you fail, you've taken a step forward. Failure is nothing but a stepping stone to success. Now, this is not to say you should never unwind and enjoy life. Balance is vital. However, it's crucial to differentiate between intentional relaxation and mindless distraction. Enjoy that Netflix marathon, have that spontaneous dance party with friends, but ensure it's adding value to your life, not functioning as a time-sucking black hole. Time is our most precious commodity. It's the one thing we can't acquire more of, no matter how hard we try. So seize the day, chase your dreams, and live life to the fullest. Make every second count. Thanks for tuning in, Time Warriors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to never miss a moment of our epic adventures.